So the package has arrived from Telstra, and let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. How exciting. This is just the paperwork with your contract and details and your SIM card and that in there. So have a look. I got the gold one and I got the 256 gig, which is I think the middle of the range one. I think they had 128 gig, 256 and maybe a 512. So, I mean, yeah, I don't feel like I'll need more than that. So, ooh, let's get unboxing. This is so exciting. I love opening a new iPhone. Oh, oh my God. Wow. That's massive. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And it's gold. The one I got previously was the rose gold, which I still loved, but I did want a gold of the iPhone 7, but they just didn't have any in stock at the time. But oh wow, that is so pretty. And that is such a nice gold. It almost, wow, it's weird because when you look at it front on, it looks, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it almost looks like, what's the word? Iridescent. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. And then in here you've just got your earbuds and your charging cord, which is standard with all iPhones. So I'll leave those in there now. Okay, so in here you just have your a very, very quick instruction leaflet. Super nothing. I mean, with iPhones you pretty much learn how to use them as you go. This one is your little pin that you can pop out your SIM card with. You also get a user guide there, and then a couple of little stickers which come with pretty much nearly all Apple products. So all of those come in there. Now let's try the phone. Where do you turn it on? Maybe I should read the instructions. Oh. Here it goes. Oh, this is so nice. It's massive. It is so big. I've ordered a cover off eBay already to protect it, as well as a glass screen protector. So, hello. Swipe up to open. God, I did pick Australia then, didn't I? I didn't pick something stupid. No. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this phone manually. Set up manually. It may take a few minutes to activate. Okay, I just did my face scan and ID. Now it's asking me to create a password, so I'll just do that off camera. I'll do set up as a new phone. I'll just put in my Apple ID. Okay, so it just asked me to sign in with my Apple ID, which I did, and then it sent a code to my old phone to enter, which I did, and then this screen come up. So I don't read any of it, but I agree. This is such an amazing color. Let's see if we can get a close up. It's like, it's gold, but it's iridescent gold. It's just stunning. I love it. I don't even know if it's coming out on camera the way it is, but it's not a solid gold. It's just so nice. I'm so excited, guys. I've been looking forward to getting. To be honest, I've actually been looking more forward to my kids getting my old phone and leaving my one alone, rather than getting a new phone itself. So if that makes any sense, the fact that they have their own and won't need to get into mine, that's what I've been looking forward to the most. Continue, we'll do enable for now. I don't think our credit card allows us access to this, so we'll set up in wallet later. Siri, yeah, we'll give her a go. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. That was fun. Screen time. Yeah, we'll do all that. No, don't share. Display zoom. Choose how you would like to view iPhone. Zoomed shows larger text and controls. Standard fits more on the screen. Choose a view. So standard. Yep, that looks good. What does zoomed look like? Oh, not much different, really. Swipe up from the bottom edge anytime to go home. Continue. Switch between recent apps. Swipe up further from the bottom edge, then release to show your recent apps. Quickly access controls. Swipe down from the top right edge to open Control Center. Press firmly on a control to reveal more options. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Well, there you go. It's all up and running, and I'd say they are all the standard apps that come with it. So we've got FaceTime, Calendar, Photos, Camera, Mail, which looks like it's already downloading my mail, Clock, Maps, Weather, Notes, Reminders, News, Stocks, TV, iTunes Store, App Store, Books, Health, Home, Wallet and Settings. And then on this page you have tips, podcasts, find phone, find friends, contacts, files, watch, utilities, and in utilities is voice memos, compass, measure and calculator. Then you have the App Store, Clips, GarageBand, Keynote, Numbers, Pages, iMovie and iTunes. So that's all that's on as far as what comes standard. So yeah, there it is, guys. I am so happy with that. That is massive. Like, that is really, I love it. Absolutely love it. I wish I had another phone that I could film and show a comparison with my one, but it, yeah, it is big. It's really big. It's amazing. I'm so happy. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give it a like and a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.